Hi guys, hope you're well today. Hi YouTubers. Right, just quick throw a video up concerning my blog. I keep getting asked by my subscribers on my other businesses, other platforms, why have you a blog? Or why do you blog? Well, my answer is I use my blog as a base. Okay, you don't have to have a blog; it's up to you. But I have a blog for getting organic traffic, and I also find a blog adds it makes you more trustworthy. I find people can see what you do or what you promote, and also I find it very useful because I do social share it as well when I do my blogging, when I do my articles, and also when I send my traffic out to my subscribers, I I like to blog. I like to tell them what I'm doing, what my next project is. And also, when I have new prospects, I always find it very useful to point them to my blog. And the reason why that is because on my blog, if I'm promoting, say, a business, let's say I'm promoting, let me go to my blog posts. If I'm promoting a business, say, for example, Nexo wallet, okay, and I send that to my list, okay, with new prospects. This is okay. If I send them my information to new prospects, yes, they might be interested in a new wallet, or they might be interested in holding their crypto, or they might be interested in having a credit card or a debit card from Nexo, or they might be interested in my other projects I've got on the right hand side here, which I do promote. Trading platform, Venture Aubrey, holding your coins, traffic, where to get to how to build option pages, blah blah blah, and also where to buy Bitcoin from. So I've got at the end of the day, it's like throwing one stone and get, let's say, five birds. So it's a great way of building your online business, and I always find, guys, it's very useful because it's multiple streams of income, and no, I think these days you really need an extra income if you're part time, if you're working online full time. You can't really rely on one company because you never know what's going. At the end of the day, that the online business is like the Wild West. You don't know if the business is going to still be around, or it's just one of those things, unfortunately. And because there's a lot of scammers out there, you just got to be very careful. But that's our industry, unfortunately. But having a blog I do find you can react with a lot of newcomers coming in, and also I do find having a blog is very useful if you're promoting quite a few online businesses. Because I share this everywhere. I share this as Twitter, Facebook, Flickr, Google, Pinterest, and Blogger. I share it all over the place, and you're getting organic traffic, and also sending to my list. And also when I do blog, I'm getting organic traffic from Google and Bing. So you've got to have multiple streams of income coming in and multiple ways of getting traffic. Very important. That's my take of having a blog. And also, you are in control of your own blog, because I do find if you've got a YouTube channel or Facebook or these other social media accounts, and all of a sudden they terminate your account for some apparent reason, you've lost your income. But having a blog, you're in control. You're in control of your own blog. As long as you have your own hosting and your own domain name, no one can take it away from you. That's my philosophy, and it works as well because I find it's a good billboard to advertise yourself, and also it brands you, not the company. I do quite a few businesses online promoting them, and I do build businesses up and build teams, but I always like to brand me, as Matt Feast online, and that's important because you never know if you you're building one company up and you've been building an online business up for a year or 2 years or whatever, and all of a sudden they exit scam, or they're not paying or whatever, unfortunately you've got egg on your face. You're going to lose your income, So that's a no-no. So I always like, as I said, that's why I like to have a blog, and also I find it very, very easy to brand yourself. My name's mattfeast.com, and even on videos, I'm starting to put mattfeast.com at the end of when I'm saying bye-bye to people, whatever, when I'm on YouTube video. And then you'll be surprised. I do get, because Google does pick it all up, and you do get traffic coming that way. The reason why I'm saying that, because I asked a question the other day, and I said, "How did you find me?" He said, "Well, would you believe it? I found it on YouTube. When it's subtitled, when you're looking at YouTube videos, it said macfeast.com. So hey, happy days, it does work." So I was quite happy about that. And but yeah, that was quite good. But guys, if you're serious about building a business, you really, really, really want a blog, and that's why, And there's another thing I do want to say is, if you do promote businesses as an affiliate, never send your traffic to the sales page. And you probably think, why not? Well, I'll give you an example. All right, when you send traffic to a sales page, that's it. They might be interested, they might not. Always have an opt-in page. Okay, get an email address and a name. Okay, the reason why that is because if they're not interested in your business you're promoting, say if you sent an email to someone, a solo ad or whatever, and you get one person interested in your business, and he comes in, like you do, and he looks around, okay, I'm not really interested. Boom, he's gone. He's gone. He's absolutely gone. He's disappeared. Right. So, but if you grab his details, okay, his email address and his name, he might not be interested in your offer, okay, and all of a sudden he's disappeared. At least you've got his name and email address. So, if you're promoting another business, you send him in for more information. He might be interested in something else you do, and that's what you do. And the most important thing, guys, I keep stressing this out to people, is build an email list. Your email list is like an ATM, I've got over 150,000 emails. I've had these for roughly about 9 years now. I do get people unsubscribe, yes I do, but I've managed to build a relationship with some people. Some people I've never even seen in my life, but I keep sending them every 2 or 3 days. I send my list information, and I've got adverts all over the place. Safe lists, traffic exchanges, promoting my businesses. I do use a company called Udemy, solo ad provider. I've got another solo provider I do use, and I just send traffic out every day. And that's what you need to do. And plus having a blog is another good thing. You're getting organic traffic from Google and also Bing, so that is a good way of building your online business. All right, it's organic people coming into your business, and that's what you need. And you've got to do this consistently every day. Every day you need to be consistent with your business. If you're serious about making the money online, every day spend an hour to 2 hours a day doing your business. Yeah, then you can do whatever you want to do in that day. Okay, that's how I do this. Yeah, but consistency is the key. All right, guys. Meanwhile, thank you very much for watching the video. Really appreciate it. And subscribe to my channel. I will be doing other videos of other products, and obviously talk about my blog. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also give my YouTube channel a good like. And if you've got any questions and the answers, please reach out to me. You can reach out to me on my blog. You can reach out to me on Facebook. And also you can reach out to me on YouTube. Just leave a comment below, and I will answer your question. All right, guys, have a great day, and thank you very, very, very much for watching the video. Happy days.